Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sealant tape is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to tackle leaks and protect their property from water damage, offering a quick, reliable, and often cost-effective solution for everything from minor drips under the sink to more significant repairs on roofs and pipes, ensuring peace of mind and preventing costly structural issues down the line. Number 5. Gaffer Power Clear Repair Tape 2x 20 yards. Achieve the strength you need with a transparent finish that blends seamlessly. Get clean, nearly invisible repairs perfect for various surfaces. Built to withstand rain, humidity, and temperature changes. It forms a strong seal on wood, plastic, glass, metal, and more for long-lasting fixes. This tape is perfect for sealing cracks, patching tears, repairing screens, and reinforcing surfaces. It's ideal for general fixes around your home or job site. Its flexible backing allows for quick tearing by hand and smooth application. Enjoy fast, hassle-free repairs whenever you need them. Manufactured with premium materials for consistent strength and durability. It's designed to perform reliably in demanding conditions. What we like. This tape offers strong, nearly invisible repairs, blending seamlessly with surfaces. It's built to withstand various weather conditions, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking for a tape that provides robust sealing without being an eyesore, especially for visible repairs on plastics, glass, or screens, this is a great choice. What people say. Sticks very well, good quality. Love that the tape is clear color. I put this stuff on my rear door over half a year ago and still it has my door sealed. We caught a ridiculous amount of rain and snow earlier this year and it stayed in good shape. It hasn't frayed or broken loose. No air leaks, not a drop of water in my car. I ordered the clear duct tape because I had a couple of projects that required a very strong and weatherproof adhesive and no visible signs of repair. The tape worked perfectly, it held strong and was not easily visible. The tape works amazingly well and is able to stand up against the outside weather every day. Number 4. Ohayooz Extra Strong Double-Sided Tape. Experience super strong adhesive power with our advanced nano tape. Its unique surface allows it to stick firmly to various objects, offering 300% more adhesion than ordinary tape. This tape boasts high transparency and can replace traditional fasteners like screws. It adheres strongly without causing any damage to your surfaces after application. Easily cut it to any size or length you need. Simply apply it to the surface and apply gentle pressure for a strong bond. It's as easy to put on as it is to take off. Worried about damage or sticky residue? Our removable double-sided adhesive comes off cleanly without harming your walls or surfaces. A hairdryer can assist with removal if needed. This clear tape adheres to almost any smooth surface, perfect for your living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. Use it to mount a wide variety of items like pictures, posters, and decorations. Don't discard it when it gets dirty. Simply wash it to restore its stickiness and use it again. Enjoy a sustainable and reliable mounting solution. What we like. This product boasts incredible adhesive power, capable of holding up to 3 pounds and offering 300% more stickiness than ordinary tape. It's also washable and reusable, meaning you can restore its stickiness after it gets dirty. If you need a versatile, strong mounting solution that won't damage surfaces and can be used multiple times, this tape is perfect for hanging pictures, posters, or decorations. What people say. Used it to hang wedding decor, flowers, signs, shears, string lights, kept linen stuck on the tables during very windy conditions. Held shears together on a patio post even when the wind was gusting. It sticks to multiple types of surfaces and is easy to remove after. No sticky residue left behind. Very strong and reliable. The tape was fabulous. I needed double-sided tape for several items including photos hung on the wall, LED lights being hung and securing items in a shelf that was slanted. Everything it was secured and everything stayed secure. Number 3. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape, Clear. Introducing Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. It creates a permanent bond that instantly seals out air, water, and moisture. Get a reliable seal that lasts. This waterproof tape works wherever the work is, indoors or out, rain or shine. Its specially formulated adhesive conforms to any surface to repair holes, cracks, gaps, and tears. Designed to withstand the elements, its durable backing resists moisture and UV rays without yellowing. It's built to last in any condition. Effectively fix leaks in roofs, pool liners, and so much more. This tape provides a permanent solution for all your repair needs. Achieve a permanent, weather-resistant seal with this heavy-duty tape. It's the ultimate solution for lasting repairs and leak prevention. What we like. This tape creates an instant, permanent bond that effectively seals out air, water, and moisture, even working underwater. Its specially formulated adhesive conforms to surfaces, making it ideal for repairing holes, cracks, gaps, and tears. If you're dealing with leaks in roofs, pool liners, or need a heavy-duty, long-lasting repair solution for challenging conditions, this tape is your go-to. What people say. It is very sticky, so be sure to clean surface and know where you want to put it. The adhesive is strong but not too difficult to work with. The quality is excellent and it feels like it will last for a very long time once applied. It's holding perfectly and I can barely see the patch. It doesn't feel very sticky when you first touch it with your finger, but it adheres to smooth surfaces quickly, even underwater. Number 2. Gaffer Power Clear Butyl Seal Tape. Need a fast and lasting fix? This tape grips firmly to both wet and dry surfaces, making it ideal for a wide range of repairs. This heavy-duty tape creates a tight, even seal that only gets stronger with pressure. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use on various containers and structures. Its flexibility allows it to easily conform to different shapes, making it perfect for gutters, pipes, and other curved equipment. It also offers excellent resistance to solvents and moisture. This versatile tape is recommended for numerous applications, including RVs, trucks, sheds, and tarpaulins. It's also UV resistant for long-lasting performance. Experience the best in quality with this repair tape, proudly engineered and manufactured in the USA using top-source materials. What we like. This tape provides a thick, aggressive waterproof seal that grips firmly to both wet and dry surfaces, making it perfect for immediate leak repairs. Its flexibility allows it to conform easily to curved shapes, ideal for gutters, pipes, or RV repairs. If you need a heavy-duty solution for leaks on roofs, pipes, RVs, or other curved surfaces and require UV resistance for longevity, this tape is an excellent option. What people say. This tape is thick and super durable and super sticky. The tape went on nicely, conformed to the curves of the top, and it completely sealed the cracks. The tape does not let water seep through and the container sits for hours in the sun each day. Strong and waterproof, but not big, bulky, and messy looking. Provides a strong, protective, waterproof covering that stays in place. This tape is thick and super durable and super sticky. The tape went on nicely, conformed to the curves of the top, and it completely sealed the cracks. Number 1. CircleRoad RV Roof Tape White 4x 50 foot. Are you tired of dealing with leaks in your RV? We have the perfect solution to keep your camper dry and protected from the elements. This high-quality tape is designed to withstand rain, snow, and wind. Its robust construction ensures reliable protection against all types of weather. Repair your RV yourself with ease. This tape allows for a neat and beautiful finish, saving you both time and money on repairs. It's not just for RVs. Use it to seal a variety of surfaces including metal, wood, glass, and more. It's perfect for campers, trailers, boats, and buses. Designed to perform in extreme conditions, it maintains its integrity from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. You can trust it to keep your vehicle sealed year-round. With a generous 4-inch width and 50-foot length, you'll have plenty to cover all your repair needs across various applications. What we like. This tape offers a generous width and length, providing ample coverage for large areas and frequent use. It's designed to resist extreme weather conditions, effectively stopping leaks from rain, snow, and wind, making it ideal for RVs, campers, and trailers. If you're looking for a reliable, weatherproof sealant tape in a neutral white color to protect your vehicle or boat from leaks and maintain its appearance, this is a practical choice. What people say. It created a watertight seal and clean exterior look. It seems to do the trick and hold me over till I can get into the body shop. It's thick and super sticky, so be careful. Once it sticks to something, it's there. Including sticking to itself. It stuck down pretty darn good once the roof warmed up in the sun. Very easy to work with and cuts easily. Works as advertised. Also used it to seal a gutter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.